Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used Ford Focus 1 litre turbo EcoBoost ST Line X Auto. Now this vehicle has currently done 35,680 miles and it's finished in the colour Desert Island Blue. It sits very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 273 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,250 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous part leather interior with the contrasting red stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, and there's plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of your steering wheel you've got your cruise control. To the right you have controls for adjusting your infotainment system. You've got your display here in the instrument cluster with access to your digital speedometer. You can also access your driver assist display and your driver assist settings. You've got your pre-collision assist and your lane keeping system to keep you safe and secure while on the go. You can also access your navigation, audio and telephone menus. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. This system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB input and Bluetooth audio. You also have your phone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system does come with built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost. You also have app connectivity and access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto so you can easily pair your smartphone up to the system and access compatible applications. You've got your settings here for the vehicle and the system itself. This Focus does come with front and rear parking sensors which makes parking much easier. Below from your display you have your dual zone automatic climate control. It comes with heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. You've got your USB input there and a 12-volt socket. In the centre console you have your automatic gear selector along with your electronic handbrake.